Well, here we are at Metro Bagels in beautiful
Hi, Hydro.
Port Townsend, Washington. Not yet, Fran. That comes at the end.
Okay.
Fran is typing up a storm on my Hermes baby rocket. I don't know if we have enough paper. We only brought a ream. This woman it's incredible. The speed, the rapidity. I don't think she's made a mistake in 6 pages. It's quite amazing. So it's a beautiful day here, and we wanted to send this off to especially the folks at Hydro's that will be gathering again tonight for happy hour. We wish we were there. Fran will be tomorrow.
Hi guys, see you
tomorrow. And I'll see you all on my way down to Carmel in January. Anything you want to say to the folks?
Yep. Hi everybody. I'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon, happy hour.
And there you have it, the official word. Over and out.